I have developed a mind map software and I have shared that with many people in the community, and they're facing difficulty on how to get started on that. So I have decided to create this beautiful tutorial for all of you. Let me share my screen and we can go through everything. So the first thing that you need to do is, am I sharing my screen? Yes. The first thing that you need to do is go to antigravity.google and go to products, download the anti-gravity IDE and install that one. After that, go to the MindMap URL. Either you can clone it or download it as a zip. After that, you extract the zip. Okay. Once you are done, open your anti-gravity IDE and open the folder, right? Click on File, Open Folder and select the folder. That's it. After that, you will see something here on the right side. You can simply ask it, install this mind map, and it will figure it out everything. Okay, it will install all the packages that are required and everything. Or you can use, I think we have scripts, dot slash script setup.sh. Okay, you can run that also. It will download the required packages and it will install. And if you think it will be more difficult and all, you can simply ask the AI to install it. Okay, download anti-gravity, ask it to install. That's it. You don't need to do anything else. Okay, that's it. I mean, it will ask some questions. Is you can answer it based on the knowledge that you have about your system. If you don't have anything, you can simply ask it to choose one option for you, and it will install. Okay, that's it, guys. And thank you for asking questions. Right, that you are facing these issues. That is why I'm able to understand what you need, and I can deliver even better things for you all. And if you need any help, let me know. And we have a AI setup genie that we are offering for all the community, that it is like a 24 by 7 AI employee for you. So we are configuring that. And if you need those services, you can simply comment below and we will get back to you. Okay. Thank you.